A. A for apple. Apple is red and sweet. B. B for ball. The ball is round and bouncy. C. C for cat. The cat says meow. D. D for dog. The dog breaks oof oof. E. E for elephant. The elephant is big and strong. F. F for fish. Fish swim in water. G. G for giraffe. Giraffes are very tall. H. H for house. We live in a house. I. I for ice cream. Ice cream is so yummy. J. J for juice. I love mango juice. K. K for kite. Let's fly a kite. L. L for lion. The lion roars. M. M for monkey. Monkeys are so funny. N. N for nest. Birds sleep in their nest. O. O for orange. Orange is round and tasty. P. P for parrot. Parrot can talk. Q. Q for queen. The queen is kind and smart. R. R for rabbit. Rabbits are so cute. S. S for sun. The sun is bright. T. T for tiger. The tiger grows. U for umbrella. Don't forget it in the rain. V for van. Let's go for a ride. W for watch. Tick tock goes the watch. X for xylophone. Let's play some music. Y for yacht. It's fun to ride a yacht. Z for zebra. Zebra look like a striped horse.